Hi guys, hope you're well, hope you're good, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amma, and if you haven't already, do not forget to hit subscribe below. So in this video, I'll be doing a review on this Kiehl's Turmeric and Cranberry Seeds Energizing Radiant Mask. Now, I must admit, this is the first time I've ever purchased a facial mask. It's the first time I've ever used a mask, and I love it. I think this mask is amazing. Just to get into the specs of it, as the name suggests, it has turmeric and cranberry seeds in it. Turmeric is great for reducing acne and also reducing scarring, and the cranberry seeds are packed with vitamin E and works well when exfoliating your skin. So keep watching and I'll show you how I apply it on my face and wash it off and all that jazz. Starting off with a freshly washed face. Excuse the hair, it's hair wash day as well. So I'm going to use my fingers to apply the mask, and I'm going to spread that all over my face. I like to apply to my cheeks first and then work my way from the bottom up. Careful not to get it into your eye, like I've just done. If you do, just quickly wash it out with water. It has a tingling sensation to it, but you're fine. I'm all done, and I'm going to leave this for about 10 to 15 minutes to dry. 15 minutes later, it's all dry, ready to be worked. So I've just wet my hands with some water and I'm dabbing that all over my face so I can break into the mask and I can start working it. I massage my skin in a circular motion, allowing the cranberry seeds to exfoliate my skin. And once that's done, I'll wash it off with warm water and wipe it with a clean towel. And I'm done! So I got this from House of Fraser and it retails at £29. So if you're looking for something new or you're a facial mask virgin just like me and just want to try something else, I do recommend this. It works. So that's it for me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you soon. Take care.